Hello guys and welcome back. So in today's new episode I'm going to change this part of the soil pipe. Now this part right here, it's all rusted at the back and it's a hole and it's going straight into the loft but not above the loft. So all the bad smells are going inside the loft and a little bit out here because it's all rotten, rusted at the back. So I can actually put my hand in and I'm going to try to change this old pipe that is still metal. We have half of the pipe that is starting right here. This is plastic, so I'm going to go all the way, bend it and then go above the roof, and the bad smells are just going to go out. So let's just take it off and see what's going on at the back of this pipe. And here we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's do it right. Alright guys. So I'm just going to remove this small bit that we have here and change it with a new one, which is going to be a little bit longer. Now there isn't too much space here. So there isn't too much space here. It's very difficult to move. But here we go. We have our pipe here. And we have some connections also. And this is going to be roughly here. Then I will have another connection which is going to be right about here, and that is going to be enough to go above the roof. Now it's going to be some chopping to do, but first I'm going to fix this in the position. Now here on top we have even the gutter, and at the moment it's covered and I will have to avoid even the gutter. Probably I will need to cut this bit, but I don't want the rain to come in because I'm doing at the moment some external wall insulation, and I will love if the rain is not going to wash my render. Okay, so that is in. Now I will still need a small bit of pipe to connect this with that. And it's just going to go like this. Alright, so now I'll just need to take a measurement from that pipe to this pipe while it's up like this. to see exactly the length that I need. And I will have to chop some more. And I think we got it, but I would love to have some grease right now because it's very difficult to put it in. Okay, so it went in. We still have one. All right, so it's in, but I will still need to do one important thing. All right, guys, so now it's in, but I will still need to do a few things. So I will need to fix a bracket to it, and then I will need to put the cap on top. And that is going to be easy. It just goes like that. It can be even glued or screwed. Maybe I should take you guys up there. Alright, so let's go up. Let's go here. And here we go. Job done. Still need to be fixed, but yeah, for now it's done. Alright, so let's fix this bracket on and it should be okay. Now we can put it a little bit higher than that, but all the time if you go way too high, then strong winds, it's capable that either is going to take the cap away or it's going to twist it, it's going to put it in time to support a lot of wind, and it can get damaged. So that is going to be more than enough because it's going to stay above the windows, so no bad smell inside. Now before, as you could see, it wasn't going anywhere. Just inside the loft. There is no hole here for it to come up. So I think that is the best solution to do. Okay, I will just quickly fix it. Nice and steady. A wipe, and that's it. I'm also going to screw some screws right here, and that is going to help with the wind, because when strong wind is going to be around, like now, this pipe would bend, and we don't want that. So I'm just going to put some screws in the joints, and that is going to solve the problem. And also I will have to cover the old hole that it was before. Right here, I don't know if you can see it, but we have a hole and we have a piece of wood right here, and I'm just going to screw it up there. I put a piece of timber inside, and now I'm just going to put this one in. Now it will need some making good, maybe some wood filler, and it's going to do the trick. Now the job at the moment is done. I will still need to do some making good, like I said, but this is how it's supposed to look. Soil pipe. Never leave it inside the loft because all the bad smells are going to go inside. This is the ventilation of the toilet and sink and other stuff like that. So practically is the sewage, and you don't want all that bad smell inside your house. Anyway, at this moment I'm just going to continue with my external wall insulation. I'm doing some prepping to the pipes, so that's why I decided to do this video, to make this video. And yeah, I will still need to do some boarding. As you see, I reach at this point, and yeah, I even had to take a chimney down here, and I had to do some making good, and that's why I made these videos separate. So I can show you some of the prep work that needs to be done when you do external wall insulation. So at this point, don't forget to squeeze that like button, and see you on the next one.